Given AB of length 5.7 centimeters and CD of length 3.6 centimeters, XY is to be constructed such that XY is equal to the difference between the lengths of AB and CD. So AB is 5.7, CD is 3.6. We want to construct XY such that XY is the difference between the lengths of AB and CD. This is AB, CD. How do we do that? Mark out X to some Z, measuring 5.7, and from Z cut off 3.6 and then get the difference. XY should be 5.7 minus 3.6, which is 2.1 centimeters. One of those questions which is a lot of fun if you actually try to do it and measure it, but not at all fun if you have to just subtract 5.7 minus 3.6 and write the answer. From exam point of view, get the marks in the bag and do it. If you want to practice, try it out. It's very useful.